Hi everyone, check out the STICKGOO 10 sheets peel and stick Dolomite Mosaic tile with a white marble look and mixed metal gold accents perfect for your kitchen backsplash or fireplace. Each sheet measures 12.7 by 12 inches and covers about 8.35 square feet, with extra tiles included for your DIY projects. These tiles feature a strong adhesive backing that is 3 times stronger than regular vinyl, making them heat-resistant, waterproof, and impact-resistant for long-lasting use. The modern design combines subtle metal squares that add a touch of sparkle without being too flashy, ideal for a chic and elegant space. Installation is simple with an easy-to-cut design and interlocking tiles that allow you to create vertical or horizontal patterns. Plus, the package includes gloves to protect your hands while working, making your renovation hassle-free. Use these versatile peel and stick tiles on kitchen islands, bathrooms, laundry rooms, fireplaces, or even your RV to refresh your space with the marble trim. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.